Hey, happy 4th of July, year 2020, everybody. I'm Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and we're demonstrating yet another modern conversion on a radio sent in by Doug in Warren, Michigan. This is out of a 70 Lincoln AM/FM radio. Customers requested a modern internal conversion to improve overall performance, and he's requested that the conversion be wired to his original connectors so that the unit just plugs right back in. So therefore, we don't get that massive power increase that we get as if we put a new harness on there. This unit is wired to feed a common ground speaker system, so it'll have roughly the same output power as it did before, but it'll pick up more stations, and it's basically a brand new radio inside. So let's go ahead and turn her on and test her out. Again, got it set to FM at the moment. The first thing we'll do is make sure all the presets can be set. So I've got them all set to stations in my area.
A place penny.
That one drifted a little bit. There we go. Okay, now we'll just run all the way down the dial, make sure we pick up a good number of stations.
And her brother Tim.
Large to small.
Forgiveness, to be forgiven for our sin.
I don't want to spend.
As we're sitting here.
Phone number, if you ever want to call us, 8.
Best value in the industry with over 1.
Okay, I counted about 34 FM stations. Let's go over to AM, where we should pick up 2 weak stations about here and a stronger station towards the middle. Switch to AM.
Right. Yes. It was for me, like grounding.
2, and then a stronger one with a lot of hum. Somewhere in this area. Where'd you go? There we are.
Another kind of shutdown.
There's that one. So we'll go back to FM. Just take a quick look at our speakers. Make sure we're getting both speakers and that our balance control works. Balance. Let's pull this knob off here. Balance to the left. Balance to the right. Okay, got that taken care of. Make sure the tone control changes the tone. Okay, plenty of mud there. And the last thing to test is the aux input. Just going to feed a quick tone into it, make sure it switches over. Okay, and then now after the aux signal is removed, after you turn off your MP3 player or whatever you do, there is a 20-second delay before the radio comes back by itself. That's due to a circuit that holds onto that aux input longer than it really needs to, just to make sure it's not switching back and forth all the time, like between songs and stuff. So once this radio comes back, there's our radio back. Test our dial light real quick, and you probably can't see it, but it is lighting. So we got that taken care of. So that concludes the test. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to do my next video. I'm Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you probably know the drill by now. So I'll just say my phone number is 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Happy 4th of July. We'll see you guys next time.